March 29th is just around the corner and will be the date of our first 2022 Virginia used equipment sale, and the deals are starting to pile up, including this Takeuchi TL10 track skid steer here in the Virginia area. This machine has less than 2,700 hours, is fully serviced and ready to be put to work. We'll have several skid steers, several mini excavators, and other aerial equipment available at the sale. Feel free to contact us direct for more information on this or any other machine. Thanks for taking a look.